That's the main debugger again. What could it be? More hammering Harry hardware. Fucking cracks, is it? Let's run and see what we've got. Maybe we'll hit an error live that isn't graphic related. So this should be all done except the tile map shit. I've played it through a few times. I've got the MCU stuff, which is at E3838 or A3838 in old money. Main glitch is out on this game for some reason. It seems to have a problem with the X and Y and the collision detection and all sorts. But yeah, there we go. M84 development is back on track. Should have this done in a few weeks. Pretty bored at the moment of it, so we'll end there. There's the MAME glitch. That happens anyway if you play it normally in MAME. Maybe I'll work out why it happens. Anyway, there we go, a little progress update on that.